Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. So we are headed to Charlotte to spend the day. Got the fam with me, hubby. Y'all hear Aaliyah, and there's Isaiah in the back. So I will check back in with y'all once we get there. Alright, we have made it to the outlets in Charlotte with the fam. So we about to do some shopping. Hopefully I find some things. Looking for some stuff for fall. But so we are here, y'all.
Stuff for right now.
Oh my gosh, come on, camera.
Stuff for right now.
So we are shopping. So I got stuff from Michael Kors and I got some shoes from Nike. All thanks to hubby.
Hey.
So we're about to leave. Or
yeah, we're probably gonna slide by my aunt's house real quick. For those of y'all who don't know, my aunt is Auntie Ann.
Keep walking, baby. Keep walking. Walk in front. Walk in front of me. Yeah, so we're gonna go to Auntie Annie's and get a little pretzel, and then we will leave, and we should be heading to IKEA next. So, ooh, the lighting's good right here. Y'all see the puff game? All right, y'all. So we are in Charlotte, North Carolina for today, for Labor Day. We just want to kind of get away, and Charlotte's like 2.5 hours from where we stay. So we just came for today. Hubby and my son is in the camera store. Me and Aaliyah is in the car, just waiting on them. We just left the outlets. Hubby bought me a Michael Kors bag, and that y'all seen earlier, and some Nike, some Jordans. They were on sale. They were $109, and then they were additional 30% off, so they came out to like $86. Real good price. They're white and gold. Now we're about to head to IKEA because we want to look for some furniture. I don't know how we're gonna fit furniture in this SUV because we got both car seats in the back and then we got a trunk, but I don't know, we just wanted to just go in there anyways because I'm looking for like a table to go in our living room, our living room, like a console table to go in our living room. And then we want like another little like table stand to go in our kitchen. We have like a little area on the wall where we want to put that at, but we want to put a stand there so like we could drop our keys on there and our mail and any other miscellaneous things that we just throw on the counter at right now. So we need like a little designated area just for that, and we just want to look for just furniture in general. Like I love IKEA. We don't have IKEA where I live, so we have to like just drive out of town to go to IKEA, which is fine. But so that's what we're gonna do, and then after that we're gonna take Isaiah to this place called Frankie's Park or Frankie's something, either that place or this like a science museum, so he can like play. We just want to do something fun with him as well since we're up here, and Then after that, we're gonna just head home. It's just a good little day, just to get away, just out and about. Aaliyah has been sleeping most of the day, but I am breastfeeding her as well. Like, I only brought 2 bottles. The bottles are gone, of course. So I breastfed her at the outlets, and I'm just going to continue to do that throughout the day because I didn't feel like bringing the pump. I didn't feel like bringing the ice packs, and it's just too much stuff. So we don't have room for all this extra stuff. So I was like, well, let me just bring 2 bottles, and then once they're gone, I'm just going to breastfeed her the rest of the day. So that's what I'm going to do. But now I'm just sitting waiting in the car. You know, hubby is a photographer, so he is looking at cameras since we're up here, since we don't have a camera store like this back at home. So he just looking at it while we're up here, and then we're going to head to IKEA. So I'll check back in with y'all once we get to IKEA. Bye, y'all. Isaiah. That is so silly.
I want to do that.
Okay, put it back, put it back. Now please do not run. Oh yeah. This place is so cool. Hey y'all, so we're thinking about this. We're thinking about this table to go in our kitchen. It's gray. Yeah, I like that. So we're thinking about this, and this is just.
Mom, where's the kitchen?
It's just $2.49 for this one. Daggone. Okay. Coffee table. Wait, Isaiah. You excited?
Isaiah, wait.
He's excited, y'all. So we are eating now. I got buffalo chicken wrap. Hubby got Philly cheese, and Isaiah got chicken wings. And Aaliyah is over there.
What did Aaliyah have?
Aaliyah have nothing.
Yeah, milk.
She has milk, yeah. We are outside now, y'all. They got like some rides out here, little teacup rides, little swings, roller coaster. I don't know if you're big enough for the roller coaster. I don't know if you're big enough for the roller coaster.
Here, my precious.
Woo! y'all, so we are leaving Charlotte now. We're headed home, so I just want to go ahead and end this vlog here. I hope y'all have enjoyed this vlog. Today's been a fun day with the family, doing all the things, and we just had a great time. So now we're heading home. We got like 2 hours and 15 minutes left to go to get home, and then that'll be it. But yeah, I just want to go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope y'all have enjoyed this vlog. If you have, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss any of my videos, and I will see y'all at my next video. Bye guys.